Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the US dollar. We want to see if it's charted a lower peak on its weekly, and we'll see how to trade it if it has. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, liquidity is very light today, given that it's President's Day in the US and the Spring Festival celebration in China. However, we do note that the supply of M2 money is still expanding. This is the latest series from the St. Louis Fed's website. Let's bring up our chart. And this is our weekly chart of the dollar. You can see that we have a lower peak followed by a lower trough, and a lower peak followed by a lower trough. What we want to do is we want to just zoom in to this area over here, and I want to point out the fact that this candle over here, which looks like a gravestone doji, does have the highest high in at least a 3-candle cluster. So the candle to the left has a lower high, candle to the right has a lower high, and then last week's candle, I beg your pardon, closed below that reference candle's low. So the criteria for a swing is in place, but we need to monitor and see if that swing is to develop. Let's just go through to our daily Ishimoku, and what we're going to do is we're going to be looking to see if the orange lagging line moves below, crosses below price. We also want to see the black baseline step down, start moving in that southeasterly direction, and some expansion in the forward cloud. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. The US dollar may have charted another lower peak in a series. We will assess the daily Ishimoku for signs of another swing. That is the lagging line crossing below price and the baseline turning down. I hope you enjoyed the snapshot. If you did, please click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.